today we present you for the first time the newly introduced new Oukitel K15 Plus, the world's new favorite big battery model with 10,000 mAh battery. The massive 10,000 mAh battery is the K15 Plus will keep you going for up to a week of continuous use. It comes with the 18 watts quick charger and reverse charge mode to charge other devices and smartphones. K15 Plus is great for all occasions, be it for your day-to-day use, professional work, or outside fun activities like camping. This smartphone is engineered to get you through. The 6.52-inch hole punch display with its 720 by 1600 resolution and aspect ratio of 20:9 is designed to keep you glued to your screen. The rear of the phone features is triple camera with 30 megapixel wide-angle sensor. As the main camera relays the selfie camera in a 5 megapixel AI power sensor. Inside the device we find the MT6761 quad-core processor which provides solid and reliable performance on this phone. The device enables Bluetooth 5.0 with 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM extendable to 256 GB of memory card. It provides enough memory for everyday work. K15 Plus SIM card slot powers 3. Choose 2 options. U option are Nano, Nano or Nano Plus TF card. You can unlock the phone with the secured and smart AI powered finger or face ID feature. This feature is fast and responsive. Not to forget, K15 Plus comes with the NFC and supports contactless payment in stores. This feature allows you to make payments efficient and effortless. The world's premiere date is today, and today you can get the early bid price for K15 that is $89.99, limited to 300 pieces. After 300 pieces, the price will be raised. Oukitel is running another amazing giveaway to give 3 of their fans with the brand new Oukitel K15 Plus. The official sales and giveaway links are below the video. Enter in their latest Oukitel K15 Plus smartphone giveaway to grab your free entries by following the few simple steps listed below. You have 21 ways to enter. The more entries you make, the better your chances of winning the new K15 Plus smartphone. Well, that would be all for today. We see you soon with a new concept video. Bye.